Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Smells Like. I'm Josh. So good to see you. Right now I have for you a little bit of an unboxing of a package that I just got. New fragrance that I just picked up from Chanel. I picked it up at Saks Fifth Avenue. Believe it or not, there is only one 100 ml bottle in this huge package, along with some samples and stuff that I got. But apparently this is the only size box that they had. I always like for them to box things up, especially because it's my birthday today. And one of the things that I wanted to do is treat myself with a new bottle of the new Bleu De Chanel Pure Perfume. If you've been watching my channel for very long, you know that Bleu De Chanel is a really special fragrance to me. It's the fragrance that got me into this hobby. It's the first fragrance that ever really wowed me and really impressed me and really just made a big impression on my life. And so I have the Eau de Toilette, I have the Eau de Parfum, and for whatever reason, I've just really been obsessed with this new Pure Parfum version. And so I went ahead and grabbed it. They put it in this big, nice box, Chanel box. I got a few samples. I got samples of all three of the new Chanel colognes that are named after cities and towns. Deauville, Biarritz in Venice. So I tried all those. Those are actually really nice. They have that Chanel quality. Maybe I'll do a video kind of about my first impression of those. So I got samples of those. Let's see, I got those. I got a couple of Creeds, a Tabaron Milcine, Silver Mountain Water, Original Santal, and I got a really tiny little vial of the new Tom Ford Lost Cherry, but she told me they weren't even allowing people to have samples of that, so she went ahead and made me a small little vial of it, maybe 1 or 2 milliliters of it. So got to try that, and maybe I'll talk about those later. But the main event here is one perfume bottle in this huge box. But I kind of appreciate them actually boxing it up in a nice box, even though it's just one bottle of perfume. I guess I am weird like that. I like having a nice presentation and everything whenever I get a new bottle. So all that is in here literally is tissue paper and the bottle. So here it is. Similar packaging to the other Bleu de Chanel, except this one has a little bit of a different color lettering. It's more of like a golden color, that popular gold color that seems to be all the rage right now. It's almost a rose gold, not quite though, just kind of a light gold hue to the lettering and to the Chanel emblem on top. So let's unbox this baby real quick. Get into it here. Show you the bottle, even though most people know what the Bleu de Chanel bottles look like, but hey, I'm excited about getting it. I thought it was fun to get it all wrapped up in nice packaging, and so I thought before I do the full review, just do a quick little video about this one here. Always love the sound of new cellophane, so just kind of making sure I got the right thing here. For a second I thought maybe it was the travel one, but my eyes were deceiving me. So this is the 100 ml or 3.4 ounce size. Kind of has this matte blue on the front and on the back, and then a glossy, slightly darker blue on the top and sides. Bottom, you got all your info on the bottom, the Chanel logo on the top. I like to show people the packaging, that way you can always make sure you're getting a legit product, like if you order it online or something. That's one of the reasons for showing the packaging in the videos. So here's the bottle. It's the same bottle as the others, but I love the Bleu De Chanel bottles. I think they're just classy and simple. Apparently they were designed, the 100 ml bottles were designed to fit perfectly in a man's hand, and I really think they do. Fits perfectly for spraying it. You know, they think of every little detail over at Chanel. I do like the gold letters on here, and this is a parfum. Won't go too far into the details of how it smells and everything. I'll do a full review on this maybe tomorrow or something. Later this week anyway. At some point, I'll go ahead and do a full review on this, talk about the notes and everything. For now, I'm just gonna spray. Kind of spray it around a little bit. Let's put some on here. It's got the magnetic cap, which you gotta love. People go crazy over magnetic caps. This stuff for me is a much stronger, much deeper version of the Bleu De Chanel DNA. It's got a warmer aspect to it that I think will really stand up in fall and winter. For times that I just want something easy, run-of-the-mill, you know, really a people pleaser kind of fragrance, but even in the cooler weather, cold weather of fall and winter, I feel like this one really stand up. Just smelling it in the air, it has the most sparkly presence to it that is really what made me fall in love with this scent DNA in the first place. For me, the pure perfume is the most sparkly of all of them. And so since that's what I love about the Bleu De Chanel DNA, I really just fell in love with this one. I've already gone through a 10 ml decant of this stuff, and so I've become pretty familiar with it. For me, this is my favorite edition of the Bleu De Chanel line of the three, the Eau de Toilette, the Eau de Parfum, and now the Pure Parfum. It just has a depth to it. Again, it has that sparkly, overarching nature. There's a really nice citrus lavender combo that this opens up with. I think maybe some other florals. And then mainly it dries down to this sort of warm cedar and smooth sandalwood combo. So not the most complex. I think there probably is things like geranium, freshening it up. Maybe some other spices, but I think for the most part it's like a lemon zest opening with that lavender, that Chanel lavender, which is one of the few lavenders that I love the smell of. Some lavenders I'm just not a big fan of. The Chanel lavender that they grow and curate themselves, I absolutely love the smell of Chanel lavender, and so that mixed with this sort of lemon zest, it's a very modern smelling fragrance. Super classy, and I think for me this is probably the best version of the blue fresh men's style cologne that, you know, so many people have copied, from Versace to, you know, Acqua di Gio, or to, you know, that kind of fresh men's cologne thing. To me, this is the best version of that, you know. And for me, I want to have something that does that, something that gives that fresh thing. So I'm actually really pleased to add this to my collection. I picked up one other bottle from Chanel, but they actually didn't have it in store. They had to order it. So that one will be coming in. I'll be doing an unboxing and review of that. I'll leave it a surprise as to which bottle I actually picked up. But your hint is that they didn't actually carry it in the store. I had to order it from the website. So if you've been watching my fragrances of the week, you might be able to guess what the other bottle it is that I ordered. So hey, that's just quick unboxing, a few thoughts about the perfume. Happy to have this in my collection. Let me know your thoughts on Bleu De Chanel as a whole. If you've tried the Parfum, how you think it compares to some of the other versions. For me, my favorite of the line. So hey, thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and all that. And we'll see you right here at the Smells Like Fragrance channel for another video next time. Thanks so much for watching.